So today I'm going to show you how to use your voice to control your iPhone. Now there's various options on iOS in order to control and perform actions on your device using your voice. Now today we're going to avoid using Siri. As you know, if you use Siri, depending where you're at, it can trigger multiple devices with the custom phrase. You can enable a HomePod, iPad, Apple Watch, or iPhone, and it just goes crazy. So I'm going to show you how to use your voice with a custom phrase or word in order to perform an action on your device, giving you the ultimate voice control experience on iPhone. Now, if we head on over into settings under accessibilities, we have several options. We have voiceover. We're not going to use that. We also have voice controls. This allows you to open and close applications and navigate the OS, but we're not going to use that. We're going to use a feature called vocal shortcuts. To me, this is the best option because you can set up a custom phrase or word to perform an action. Now, today I'm going to show you how to lock your device using your voice. This is very useful. Let's say someone snatches your phone from your hand. You can use that custom phrase and your phone will lock. So let me show you how to set it up. So go through the setup process of the vocal shortcuts right here, and then it's going to ask you to select an option. So we have Siri request. We have shortcuts. These are going to be the shortcuts on your device's shortcuts application. We have system actions from camera to camera controls to control center, dark mode, flash, lock device, lock rotation, etc. We also have accessibility options below, just like so. So I'm going to show you how to use your voice with a custom phrase to lock your device. So under system, just go ahead and find the option for lock screen. Select that. Now go ahead and set a custom word or custom phrase in order to lock your device using your voice. Now what it's going to do, it's going to go ahead and use that actual word and your voice recognition in order to lock the device. So I'm going to use the word or the action lock iPhone just for the purpose of this video. Now once I click next, it's going to set me up through the prompts in order to capture my voice, so it recognizes my voice in order to perform the action. So go ahead and click next. Lock iPhone. Lock iPhone. Lock iPhone. So once you say the custom phrase or word 3 times, you're all set and ready to go for that specific action. So now I can go ahead and say the custom phrase, lock iPhone, and it will lock the device just like so. Now the person will need to actually enter the passcode in order to get back into the device or use Face ID, obviously. Now I'm also going to show you how to perform a certain action. So for this case, I'm going to go ahead and set up the flash. So let's go ahead and enable the flash just like so. And for the custom phrase, I'm going to say enable flash just like so. And let's go ahead and click next and go through the prompts here. Enable flash. Enable flash. Enable flash. And just like so, I can go back to the home screen and say the custom word, enable flash. And just like that, the flash will be enabled on my device. And I can go ahead and say it again to turn it off. Let's go ahead and say it again. Enable flash. And just like that, it turns off the flash. And again, you have a ton of options to choose from shortcuts to Siri requests to system actions and even accessibility options using vocal shortcuts. To me, this is the ultimate or the ultra vocal use experience on iPhone in order to not trigger other devices using the custom Siri command. I don't know about you, but sometimes when I use the custom Siri command, it triggers the HomePods, the iPads, the Apple Watch, and everything, and it just goes crazy. So this vocal shortcut options, I think is the best option to control and perform tasks on your device. So let me know what you think about this in those comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.